nothing to show actually, it's just my room. It's kind of empty, just two things, just to not forget where I'm from and who I am, that's all. Okay, so probably we'll start from my mom. It's actually my graduation ceremony. Here's my dad. He brought me into karate 11 years ago. And here's my lovely sister. She is my biggest fan actually. Lithuanians has really a huge fight spirit. Like they were fighting for their independence through centuries, and I think that history of my country made a really big influence on me. On that, even in the biggest troubles, we still can dream, we still can reach our dreams, and we still can fight for what we want. And Lithuania fought for the independence, for freedom, and they got that. So probably if they can, I can do whatever I want. I enjoy martial arts so most, but it's not physical. It's more mental game. It's more technical game. I always work more on technique, not on physical things, and it's really enjoyable when you can win a bigger or even stronger opponent just using your knowledges. That's the most enjoyable thing, and you can learn that all your life. You will never learn all techniques in a world, because it's always becomes better. It's always some new techniques are coming, especially in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. As I told, it's my coach. Probably he is my biggest influence, and he is the reason why I'm still in martial arts right now. I'm not sure that I will still doing that if not him. He gave me a dream, and he gave me opportunity to chase my dreams. Legend Roger Gracie Academy I'm representing. It's a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Academy. My main master is Roger Gracie, legendary Roger Gracie. He is like one of the most famous guys in Jiu-Jitsu and probably the best competitor ever. And here is Fighter House. It's actually my name of my Lithuanian club. Yeah, it's really a big part of me, and it's probably one of the most important things in my life during the past 5 years. Being the best fighter I can, probably. My MMA career is my main goal, and of course, as for everybody, I dream about UFC and so on, and I just wanna see how much I can get here and how far away I can go. There are no money that can buy that feeling that you are getting on the fight, during the fight, the feeling when you win, and even the feeling that when you lose. It's so special feelings. There are no situations in real life when you can get that. Just stepping on the mat, stepping on the octagon, you will not feel that anywhere. So actually this is why I'm still fighting, why I'm so crazy about that. You just should feel that one day, and everybody starts here.
Do you have any other hobbies other than training?
No.